Hello, my name is Ada Willis, and I'm here to do a presentation on my personal nursing philosophy. My personal nursing philosophy is that you should treat each person that comes into your care like they're your family member. You want to do all the measures and everything that you would do if that was you one. I'm speaking of like if that was your mother laying there in the bed, what kind of good care would you like them to receive? Here's my work. Um, and then her patient, which has white hair, which I use that to symbolize an older person. Um, Nursing involves the delivery of optimal outcomes for the patient through a reciprocated relationship in a safe and caring environment. Now, in my picture and in my philosophy, it's definitely a safe and caring environment, as you're caring for the patient like it's your loved one. And nursing, of course, also involves critical thinking and communication, which is essential for good care. Health is the expense of wellness and health care a patient has, which includes physical, mental, emotional, social, and spiritual. In my philosophy, emotional, physical, and mental, social, and spiritually addressed because, like I said, it's your mother, so you'd want to make sure the patient was feeling very loved, have the spiritual, physically taking care of them the way that you want your mother to. Person, it focuses on the receiver of the care. Obviously, my philosophy focuses on the care because you're caring for the patient and you want them to feel they have somebody, that they are not alone. The environment is on the surroundings, the patient, which good care and being to them, that is into the environment. It would be a very safe and a very healing environment for the patient. All right, and all the metapartigons are, which in my philosophy, nursing care for the is definitely represented. Then you have health, which is, spiritual, physical, mental, because all of those things are important to health and wellness. Person is the receiver of the care, and then environment is the environment for the. Here's my reference. All right, thank you very much for listening to my presentation.